Hello guys, welcome to automationtesthub.com. So in video 6 today we will cover the following topics. This is the agenda items for the today's topic. The first one is the creating first test script. Second, how to save script and run. Third, how to control script execution speed. Create and run ID suits. Selenium IDE view like table source, and to know about log referensive elements. And last one is Selenium commands, which also known as selens. Okay, so first creating first test script. So first open the Firefox, open the website. I'm opening the site localhost colon 81. This is the application which is installed on my local machine. You can also download and install this application. You can see my previous video. In video 3 you can find out the location and installation guide of this application. Okay, so open the ID, Selenium IDE, and now I'm recording the scripts. First test script like login the VTiger application, type the admin, password admin, click on, select the drop down, click on sign in, and now click on sign out. Okay, so here in IDE you can see the script has been recorded successfully. So here you can press the run button and you can see it is working or not. Now here you can see it has been logged in and logged out. Okay, so by this way we can create our scripts. So how to save this script? Go to the file, click save test case as. Okay, click on the save, and you need to go particular the folder where you want to save. I am saving, the name is like login. Okay, click on save button. Now script has been saved with login name. Okay, this is the test case. Okay, now I'm going to create another test. For that you need to click on new test case here, and now you need to click on record button again. Now recording is on. Now go to the application and we are typing the password. Click on the sign in link. Now click on the cells link, go to the plus button, and now here I am typing ATH automation test hub. Now click on save button. Now lead has been created successfully. Now clicking on delete button, press OK button, and now click on logout button. Go to the ID and click on stop button. Now this is second script. The scenario name is create lead. Okay, so I am also saving this test case, save test case as create lead. So here you can see we have created the two test cases. Same way you can create multiple test cases as well. Now I'm going to create the test suite where you can run the suite, and in particular suite you can use the multiple test cases. Like how do you create the test suite? So that right click on this pane and no, go to the file, and here is the option new test suite. Save, and you need to write vtiger crm underscore suite. Now click on save button. Now in this suite you can add test cases. So I'm adding this test case like login, and I'm adding another test case create lead. This is the blank, so you can delete it. Now click on save suite as vtiger crm suite. Yes, okay. So this is the suite. Click on the login button. You can see the login script, and click on the create lead link here, and you can see the create lead. So if you want to run the suite, then you have to click play entire test suite. So click on this button. And one more thing here I want to tell you that this option is shows like you can control your execution speed. Like if you want to perform slow operations, then you can set here. If you want to perform the fast execution, then you can choose this option. Okay, so this is the basically execution controller where you can control your execution speed. I can show you the both. Now I have choose this mode. I have chosen this mode. Now a script will execute slowly. Now you can see I'm clicking on the play entire test suite button, and now this suite will be executed. Like first login will be executed, after that create lead test case will be executed. Okay, so click on the play entire suite test. Here you can see the execution of these test cases. Now execution has been completed. So by this way you can run your test suite. Okay, so in next topic, here you can see also how to control your execution speed. So by using this option you can control your execution speed. Okay, next thing, create and run IDE suite. You have already seen these things. Now I'm telling you the Selenium IDE view like table and source. Okay, so this is the table view where you can see the three types of commands, three types of option columns are there, like commands, target and value. So this is the table view, and another one is source view. In source view basically this is the HTML code. Like here you can see each line of code is written in this format, like tr. Under tr you can see the three tds. In first td like command open, and in second td the locator, and in third td nothing. If you can see, like if you want to see like type, right, type name, last name, and value is ATS. Here you can see the same command type. It is written under the td, under the tr. In tr you can see the first td is command name type, and second td is last name, and in third td the value is ath. Okay, so you can also write these code using HTML source. Like suppose if I want to perform type method again, I want to log in application again, then I have to write the code like go to the login, and I want to perform like type operation in password. I have copied this code, and in create lead section, now I'm going again here, I have entered these things. Okay, now go to the create lead table view. You can see in last line this command is present, this line is showing over here. So you can write your scripts with two way. Either you can write here in table view or in source view. If you want to write in source view, then you need to write first tr, then you need to write 3 tds. In each td, in first td you have to define that command, and in second td you have to define the particular locators or targets, and in third td you have to put the value. Okay, and if you want to write a single script, or if you want to write a single line commands in this table view, then you can click here like insert new command. Here you can perform the, you can press the particular type the commands, like I want to type like click and wait something, then like click, and here you need to pass the particular object where you want to click, like I'm copying here sales link, type over here, and that's it. Okay, if you want to delete any steps, then right click and press the delete button. If you want to add any steps in middle of the script, then you need to click and press the right click and click insert new command. Here you can see you can write your new steps here, like I'm giving the example like type something, you can see like that. Okay, so I'm deleting this right now. Okay, now I'm saving the scripts. So this way you can work on the ID part on table view as well as source view. In next agenda item is to know about log, reference, UI element and rollup. Okay, so here you can see in footer like log, log, references, UI elements are present, and rollup. So what is the purpose of these tab? Okay, so this is the log pane. In log pane you can see the basically execution. You can see the here execution result, like what Selenium performed, like you can see executing open commands, executing type commands with target this and with value this, same as type command, target and value. So in log section it will provide the information of your execution result, like each steps execution performed by the ID, the log should be maintained for all these things. So log pane is categorized in four, you can say log is categorized in 4 flavors, like it will provide the information, debug information, as well as execution information, warnings and errors. These all four things you can see here in log sections. Suppose if your anything is missing, like I'm giving the one example, like this is the login page, and if you want to perform any other script like create lead script, like hold on, here go to the create lead. Now I want to perform like clicking on the cells link. I'm double click on this link. You can also press the double click on any line, then at that then only single line will be executed here. Now here you can see in log section the error has come, element link cells not found. Okay, so these all four informations you can see here in log section, like debug information, execution information, warnings and errors. And the second tab, UI element pane, it is for advanced Selenium users. It uses JavaScript object notations, like Java notations, object notations, JSON, to define the element mapping basically. Just like if you want to perform type operation, then here you can see the reference tag is providing the basically information about the particular command and what parameter we need to pass. Like in type command you need to pass two parameter, one is target, another is value. Here you can see the type commands will take two parameters, one is locator and there is value. If you forget anything, then you need to just click the particular command, or you just type the particular command and you can see the what parameter you need to pass for that, like in reference tag. It is very useful to writing the script. Okay, so third tab is UI element. So UI element, it is for the advanced Selenium users. Okay, it uses the JavaScript object annotations, JSON. It is basically used to define the element mappings. So for more detail you can check out my site automationtesthub.com. Under Selenium tutorials you can see the UI elements with example. Okay, the fourth one is rollup. So rollup is a basically thing, it is very important, and rollup pane basically allow you to execute a group of commands in one step, or you can say a group of command is simply called as a rollup. Rollup are reusable, meaning they can be used multiple times within the text cases. Okay, so you can also see rollup pane in detail in Automation Test Hub website. Okay, so next thing is Selenium commands. What is Selenium commands? Selenium commands is also known as Selens. So this is the commands: open, type, click and wait, type, click. These all are the basically Selenium commands, which is called the Selens. Selens are basically categorized in three part. You can say Selens basically categorized in three way. First is actions. I can write here. First is silences, first is actions, second is accessors, and third is assertions. So what is actions? So actions are commands that generally manipulate the state of the application. They do thing like that. I'm giving you the one example, like click this link and select that option, like that. And in action, if action fails or has an error, then the execution of the current test is stopped. For example, click and wait, all the wait commands, like you can see here, click and wait. So these are the actions. Okay. Second thing is accessor. So accessors examine the state of application and store the result in particular variables. For example, we can use it for store title. Using store title commands, you can store the particular application title in any variables. They are also used to automatically generate the assertions. Okay. Third one is assertion. Assertion are just like accessors, but they verify that the state of application conform to what is expected. For example, make sure the page title is XYZ and verify that like checkbox is checked or not. So you can use assertion to perform these things. And you can see also all the Selenium assertions can be used in 3 modes, like assert, verify, and wait for. I can write here assert, verify, third one is wait for. Basically, the assert and verify we will see in detail in next chapter, where we can use assert, where we can use verify. So in next chapter we will cover these things in detail, and we will also use these commands with an example. Okay, so that's all in this video. I think everything you have understand. So that's all in this video, in video section 6. In next video we will cover like how to use assertion and verifications, when to use assertion and verification, single line execution you have already seen here, use of breakpoint, how to debug your scripts, how to use regular expression, wait for commands, and parameterization. Okay, so have a nice day.